Mm. Yeah, I. Greetings in the mighty name of His Peace Imperial Majesty, Emperor Haile Selassie the First, Rastafari. Yeah, give thanks. Yeah, and I want to say enough respect to all of the new subscribers them and all of the old subscribers them. Thanks for the faith one having an eye and I feel I will have a couple of days I'm not upload nothing. But tonight I'm now address Buju Banton children there. No, come here, don't run, man. You want, man, I know. I'm a now bash them. I'm not in no position for bash them. Trust me, this is not. No man, no in no position for do that. You know, see. But first thing I want to say to them is family. See? Just remember that tune the popcorn sing. Just listen it out. See? See? And hear what the irony about the tune there. Oh no. None of you can relate to it. None of you can relate to anything with the song there because none of you can remember. I make up with a bridge around the road and I buy one tin of sardine and a pound of rice or a tin of mackerel and a pound of rice. I was watching a ackee tree if you say get something off. See? I know a lot of time you might think that you were on the verge of doing so. See? And somebody might have stepped in and assisted or alleviate that stress there, that burden there. But you want think back and see where that connection to that person came from. You know, see it. And I would, even though I don't know, I would want to think 90% of the time that connection is from music. You know, see it. And if we be honest, I don't want to start the music thing in the family. You get what I say? The music come from, the connection come from the old man. See? Buju Banton. See? When I have to remember, say, certain degradation growing up. Seeing? You never have a face. You know, see it? Due to on a lineage then. Seeing? Because I'm a now go say nothing more than that. You know, see it? Because you don't know, most people make it look like that's all share. And the atmosphere look like that's all share. It's just lineage. You know, see, like that's all Buju Banton get to, you know. And that may gravitate from which me now say is lie. It can be so. Because like me I say, the energy they wanna give off. See it? But you see, if it's not so, just take what me I say, the energy that it give off, which I man find hard to believe. But then again, coming from the children, what else can I man say? You know, see it? I always I man supposed to think. You know, see it? You know, see it? You see, and the seed where you sow and the crop where you reap, you know. You get what I say, the atmosphere on the design, it create the assumption. You just see it on a certain belief against and towards the whole man. You know, see it? And when you check it out, realistically, see, even if him never mind, you know, I do nothing for him, him not deserve that level of, you know, people, he not deserve that. He not deserve people to look upon him like that based on how they hide them attitude towards the structure things. You know, see, because when everybody look and say, well then, it's like all I want to go after, definitely target the whole foundation, the structure, the principle, the concept, or get where you are, not but get your father where he is. You don't know that kind of look away. We feel wonder. We not no concern about the general enough, but I feel no way in the general seal. Buju Banton thing seal. The man then have to work, man then have to sing another song again, and by Rastafari and by righteousness we attack. We not talk by wealth or them thing, the earthly wealth. You know see? So what uno do can really damage the man character. Because again, I came amongst my own and they knew me not. You know, see, tens and thousands of tongues. Seeing? Enough like the sands and the seas. Tens and thousands of tongues meaning different language of people come and I call him name and I say, yeah, Rastafari. You know, see it? And them amongst him own and them don't know him. You know, see it? So, it's not a new thing. You know, see it? Children. But when I have to look back in the whole thing and try identify where this come from and see if it really relevant or it worth it right now, because the whole of our adults now are big people and live this long. You see, and as Jamaican, especially greater Jamaican, which me are showing you now relate with the grassroots. See, because ghetto Jamaican just thank mama for the 9 months of them carry her, where them carry away. You know, see it. And at that, mad love, endless love for the rest of life, just for the 9 months where you carry you know, mama. You know, see it. Because you don't know, when I see mama with nothing put on for share up. See, when I see mama with nothing for a bad mind or envious of, and in turn we develop a certain level of animosity against our mother, because obviously we might know which part she affair interest or who she choose to invest in her. And we used to say, we might just say, I don't want to, you know, see, so we start get bad mind and corrupt and things like that. But true, we not grow with none of them privileges that we never really inherit that level of audacity. Because that's how I can see it as what parents have for them. See, mother have, father have, blesses the child of his own. You know, see, I don't really see it got it right, or I don't really see it acceptable, or even. I don't see why, I don't really under Abby here, like you may a chat. You don't see it. You go hard. You don't see it. And I don't see the relevance of that, because you're a big grown up man. You don't see it. See, another sister that she a politician. You don't see it. You gay, admittedly. You don't see it. Marcus, we say Marcus in some argument in the early days. You get what I say? I don't know where all of them motivation they come from on this level of disdain. You know, see, cause at the end of the day. But I don't know what else to not be proud of with the old man. You know, see, first thing, we can all agree to the gay community orchestrate Buju Banton prison sentence. We will agree that. They even them who are openly agree to admit it. We don't know the thing said. You know, see, yet still, the daughter can be like that. Abigail, you can be gay. You know, see, we don't know, but you're born so according to you, yeah, you were born that way, yeah? You see it? Yeah, you're born gay. See, you leave it and see. Rasta na deal with politics what go on in the earth today. See the other sister, I don't remember she name. Politician. I don't remember councillor, MP or what. See? So I have to look at the whole thing and consider on the position, because at the end of the day, without water in our mouth, something I don't want to say. But the whole of them go against the grain. You see? I know that not stop the old man from love and respect and adore in the same way. You see? The legacy of food no one, you know. You see? When I tear it down now, I won't benefit to not tear down for a little more. You get what I say? How comes all this, you know, how it looks so? Because at the end of the day, like I said, just by getting where you lot are today, you know, see, even though the father might look on it and want to say the father do nothing for or whatever. Well, I not say that's the case, but regardless of whatever reason, seeing, you have to look upon the substance where in turn benefit you, the substance will come from the father, where in turn benefit you somewhere along the line. Enough people will see and hear you, pick you up and offer you a ride. Then you could look on it like that when you walk a bus stop, yeah? Or when you're not on a bus fare, if you walk home, people will pick you up and give you a ride, only do it because they know your father. You understand what I say? Not because of them know you. You see? I know they catch a drift for me and go still. But I'm not burning them. I'm not bashing them. I not have the right there. Nobody not have the right there. You know, see, I just show no which part things really and truly, even if things right now, if things are the real things look, I phone file make it look that way there, appear that way there. You get what I say? Because when I grown people you know, and the little attention seeking thing now go work, and I just that me say I go on. You know, see, big grown people I seek attention. Like, you know, we are right on our father back and go on number one type of thing. Which while of them think their father born out from Jump Street when them they try clashing with Cabra. Father tell them about a clash out of Ferry said, no man can ride on free back guard number one. You know, see it and just ball out, batty rider and the whole plate, the stage bust down. Literally popped down. You know, see it. You know, just build man and build yourself. Yourself, you not tear down. Let me tell you that. More love, more life. See? John, I'm more love a mad love, man. I don't know why I should settle on a rasta. But I want to self on our tear down. You know, see? Father now got to know, general now got read. But them little innuendo there and them little, you know, me I say, them little thing there, not necessary. More blessed still. More life.